Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hey guys, good morning. Nice to meet you. I am KOLI. I am a student of Inter first year. I live at Shazberg in Sherpur district. I like traveling parties like watching TV. I wanna be an advocate in future. Please pray for me. That's all.